Hello friends. Many times we hear news like someone's phones, laptop, server or company details got hacked by hacker. Do you know how hacker hack your phone or takes access of it? So let's see about one of the best hacking malware to hack anyone's phone. So malware name is AndroRat. AndroRat is a malware hackers use to hack your mobile phones. AndroRat is an Android-based remote access Trojan originally developed in 2012 as an open source administration tool for educational purpose only. It provides full control of the user mobile phone. You can see here also this software is meant for educational purpose only. It provides full control of the user mobile phone where it's installed. Since it provides full control of your phone, cyber criminals are using it to hack your phone. Or you can also use hack anyone's phone and check what they are doing. You can control the mobile. Once it's installed on the phone, AndroRat completely hides its icon from installed app list and establishes command and control communication with your server. It does not show in the installed app list also. If user trying to find if any malicious app or any malware installed in their system, it completely runs in the background. AndroRat allows you to perform malicious activities, including collecting sensitive data like device information, model, company name of the mobile, call logs, like user is calling to whom, how much time they are talking, to whom they are receiving the calls. All details you can check. Even SMS messages, what kind of text they are getting, contact details saved on the phone, calendar events, you can track the location of mobile continuously, photos and videos also you can access and send to the server, and you can store data on server, all details. Also you can access the camera of mobile remotely without knowing the user. Using AndroRat you can record audio and SMS, send and delete messages, upload and download any files, record the screen. You can execute any shell commands. Using AndroRat you can steal the lock of patterns, like many times people use pattern lock passwords used on the phone. Since AndroRat provides full control on phone, you can unlock the phone without owner input or user input while sitting remotely at different location. To operate AndroRat on Android phone, it requires Python and Java installed on the phone. So let's see how to install AndroRat on laptop and generate the APK file. So you can see here this command, they have shared a screenshot here. Using this python androrat.py shell command, we can access the mobile. So you can see in screenshot, uh, to get the camera access, need to run the cam list command. For backside camera, press 0, enter 0, and for front camera, enter 1. Here features are listed as we discussed: full persistent in backdoor, invisible icon as said, it runs in a 24 by 7 in background, and automatically starts on boot up also. No need to run or on the app. Can record audio, video, take picture from both camera, browse call logs, get current location, SIM card details, MAC address of device. So you can download the file, malware file using this git clone command, then extract it, then go to the AndroRat folder. Inside that, using pip install command, install the requirements.txt. Sometimes it doesn't work, so install using virtual environment. So after that, you can see three modes are available in that: build mode, ngrok, and shell. Build mode is for to generate APK file using your server details and all, so that you can install that APK file in the user mobile to get access of their mobile. Then ngrok to use the tunnel over the internet. You can share the details over the tunnel with encryption so that no one can get what data is sharing over the internet. Shell mode is to access the mobile or phone. So build mode is to generate the APK file to install on the mobile. You can run this command to generate the APK file python 3 androrat.py hyphen hyphen build ngrok. This command n hyphen hyphen ngrok is optional if you would like to use the tunnel mode or without tunnel. So after that hyphen p to mention the port on which port you would like to communicate between server and mobile, and output, and then location where you would like to store the data. So after that, shell mode is used to take the access of the mobile using the command python or python 3 which version you have installed. AndroRat.py hyphen hyphen shell, then IP address of the server, and then I port number on which port number you would like to connect with the mobile, as use same port number as mentioned while creating the APK file. So after running this command, you can run the help command to get this command list. So using device info command, you can get the device details, cam list for camera details. Using take pic command, you can take the picture using the camera to record a video, start video, stop video, then record audio, to stop audio, get SMS, call logs, then vibrate the mobile, location of the mobile, IP address, SIM card details, clear the screen, saved text on the clipboard, get MAC address, and then exit if you would like to. Some examples are shown here with commands to generate the APK file hyphen hyphen build, then IP address of the server, port, and hyphen o to generate the file output and save the file. It will show it will show the output like this: generating APK files successfully, APK built, and signing the APK. Like this in second command mentioned here, Python with version Python 3, android.py hyphen hyphen shell hyphen I, then IP address, and then port number. So you can get the access of the mobile here, and then following commands. Like you can see device info with manufacturer, version, product, model, which model, then camera list, front camera, back camera, taking picture. It will say like successfully taken, and it's saved in somewhere. Wherever it is saved, it will give you the path. Then start video recording if you would like. After stopping the video, it will give you the path of the video also. Then call log and where it is saved. SMS also with path where it's saved. Then audio. All commands you can run and get the access. All data you can get from the mobile without knowing the user. Thank you.